Hey everybody, Will Fix here. Let's take a look at XRP right now at the time that I'm filming, which is it's 1 p.m. April the 13th, and it looks like it's at $2.15. And if you look today, we did crest $2.22. And I would say, hey, let's be a little careful. It looks like we could, $2, it could back up to the $2 mark. So we'll just watch it and see, but that's what I'd be careful with, especially if you're trading. Like if you're trading futures, if you go to the BTCC account and you're not sure how to trade, they have a thing called copy trader, where you can copy a trader. For instance, this guy here, he's got 8 particular followers. His name's All the Money by Q. He's averaging over 17%, but look at his win rate, 90.23%. That's kind of hard to beat. Here's one at 47% and a 25%. But if you look in the copy trade, you can pick yourself a copy trader, and what happens is, as that person makes trades and sells, you just decide if you're going to contribute $50 or $100. It gives you the option once you choose the copy trader, and then it will trade exactly what they trade, and you'll make the profits that they make. And so that's one way to watch and to get started. So I just want to make that available. You can just scan that link that's showing up on the screen if you want to get yourself started in a BTCC account. Also, once you're making some earnings, you might want to store it in a wallet. This is BTCC is not a wallet. It is an exchange. So as you make winnings, you might want to convert that to the crypto of your choice and store it in the decent wallet. So if you need yourself a good self-custody wallet, use the link that's popping up above my head and get yourself a decent wallet. Now let's move on. Let's look at this article right now. Right now, if you're not bullish, it's usually because the markets are down, right? And we don't know what's going to happen with tariffs, so it's all understandable. But nothing about XRP fundamentally has changed. The XRP is still being broadcast by Ripple all over the world. It's still set up to be the #1 asset for transferring money around the world. It's still doing everything that it has always done, and it's still the asset fundamentally that it always has been. So if you're feeling bearish, it's because of the price, right? So you just need to maybe wait that out. But look at this. Analyst sets XRP path to $30. Now, I know that that's not as big as we might want to talk about, but let's look at this. The cryptocurrency analyst is forecasting that XRP could reach a double-digit valuation as high as $30, drawing insights from Bitcoin's historical price performance. According to analyst Rise Simpay, I guess it is, XRP has the potential to climb to between $27 and $30 in the current market cycle, with an ultra-long-term target of $120. In the TradingView post on April the 12th, the expert drew parallels between XRP's price action and Bitcoin's historical performance, leveraging technical setup and Fibonacci extensions to support the prediction. Then you can see here where he's drawing that bullish triangle and comparing the two, how that those could be related again, and most likely will be. The analyst highlighted XRP's recent breakout above its previous all-time high resistance, a level it has been consolidating above for several months. This breakout mirrors BTC's past behavior, staying consistent with the trend of XRP following BTC's moves, but slower. XRP has recently broken above its range and has been consolidating above the previous all-time high resistance for several months. Taking in these events, one can assume that XRP is looking to buck the macro trend in the cryptocurrency markets and make its way up to the breakout levels, the analyst said. According to the outlook, Bitcoin's breakout led to a surge towards its 1.618 Fibonacci extension at 61,800, followed by a peak at 1.902 Fibonacci level. XRP, currently priced at $2.17, is projected to follow a similar path, targeting the 1.618 Fibonacci extension around $27 to $30 and potentially reaching $71 at the 1.902 level in the longer term. Rise Sinpei also identified key resistance levels of XRP at $2.99 and $4.57, with historical resistance zones at 1.618 and 1.902 Fibonacci levels, if you study Fibonacci. If not, I know that's just noise to your ears, but just understand that this is a positive thing. Unlike BTC and Ethereum, which the analyst predicts will underperform and fail to reach the new highs, XRP is expected to buck the broader crypto market trend. If this pattern plays out, XRP's conservative high target might be $30, which would attract a market cap of approximately $1.73 trillion, almost the same as Bitcoin's. XRP's price fundamentals. Beyond technicals, several bullish factors could support XRP's rally. For instance, on April 10th, Glassnode data showed whales moved 70 million XRP, a strong signal that large investors are anticipating growth. This comes shortly after the launch of the Tokenium 2x long daily XRP leveraged exchange traded fund, which may draw institutional interest. Retail sentiment also appears optimistic, considering the Finbold report revealed a drop in XRP held on exchanges, suggesting investors are holding rather than selling in anticipation of a price increase. However, Ripple's ongoing release of XRP from escrow, most recently 200 million tokens, could introduce short-term volatility. XRP price analysis. XRP was trading at $2.17 at press time, dropping 0.21% in the last 24 hours on the weekly time frame. The tokens rallied over 5%. And right now, showing in this article at 217. As things stand, XRP is trading slightly above both its 50-day simple moving average, SMA, and 200-day simple moving average, suggests a generally upward trend in the longer term despite near-term weakness. Now, do you agree with this or do you disagree with this? Is it AC for you or is it DC for you? Go ahead and put that in the comments for me and vote on this article. What do you think? Do you believe the short-time analyst of XRP's path to $30 here in the next few months? Let me know in the comments. Hey, I appreciate you watching. Please do like and subscribe. I'll see you next time, next video.